Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I'm getting going on this trailer smoker. This is the power box that I'm putting together. I already have the chamber put together. I just jumped in on this one. This is a 30 by 30 cabinet smoker that's going on the trailer. Firebox, 24 by 20. This is getting the connections cut into the side, getting the holes in where the firebox and the chamber meet up. Just straight edge and all that in there. This is that titanium plasma, but I do have the HTP back now, and I'm glad it's back. They said what happened on the HTP one was that all the metal dust that's always around, it built up on the inside of it. I never did. I blow it out every now and then, but I never took the cover off and blew it out. And it caused 2 points to touch together that shouldn't have been touching, and it shorted it out. These are holes for where the stacks go. It's just getting stacks put on. Walking around on this table trying to get it done. I came over to the smoker. I had some pulled pork going over here. I'm trying to baste it in peach preserves. I took some peach preserves and heated them up and watered them down to where I could baste them on there. And trying to get a good peach flavoring into this pork. It turns out in the end it didn't really work, but the pork came out really good. It just didn't taste like peach. And while that's cooking for a while again, we're getting this thing put on the trailer. This is one of the Harbor Freight trailers, but you can see I redid the neck. I rebuilt a lot of it. To make the neck longer, to make the trailer stronger. Back over here to check this out and get it wrapped. Yeah, I thought for sure when I wrapped it and I poured the rest of that jelly in there, or preserves, it's the same thing basically, that I would really get some flavor in there, but it just did not pull it in. It's around 170 right there when I wrapped it. Let it go in for another couple hours. You know, you can't actually buy these Harbor Freight trailers in Louisiana anymore. I don't know why they quit selling them here. I heard it was something about a number on the tires. I mean, even if you go into Texas and try to buy them, they ask for your ID. If you got a Louisiana license, they won't sell them to you. Or at least they didn't in Texarkana anyway. That's the only one I tried. Actually, this was the last one I had. I bought 4 or 5 of those trailers when they stopped selling them here. And the manager at one of them here, he was like, man, if you want these things, I'll sell them to you cheap, because he just wanted to get them out of the store. And I bought all of them then. That's finally the last one I had. This is straight edge and getting the floor for the trailer. This is back with the HTP here. I'm so glad that thing's back. Much better than that titanium. Alright, we got the pork done. Like I say, it came out real good. It just didn't have that peach flavor. We ended up doing carnitas and pork tacos with it. And I don't know how I managed to put this same clip in there twice, but there it is. The floor isn't necessarily adding any structural strength to it. I'm sure it is. It's making it stronger, but it's really put there just so you're not looking down at the ground below it. Also give you somewhere to set stuff if you wanted to, this and that, while you're cooking. That's just about gonna do it on this video, y'all. I'm gonna have the part 2 of it coming up here real soon in a few days. Right here, I'm kind of starting the basket on the back side of it. Just finishing up the basket. It's getting real close to being done now. So that'll do it on this video. If y'all new to the channel, please like and subscribe. The part 2 should be coming here in a few days. Internet's been really bad out here. I mean, it's taking forever to upload videos. Like I said, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one. I'll leave my email in the description box. If anybody's looking to order something, you can shoot me an email. And we'll see y'all on the next one.